Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download TD Bank Digital Banking to freeze your card quickly. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To download TD Bank Digital Banking, start by unlocking your smartphone. Open the App Store if you're using an iPhone. If you're using an Android device, open the Google Play Store. In the search bar, type TD Bank and hit enter. Look for the TD Bank Digital Banking app in the search results. Tap on the app icon to view more details. Check that the app is developed by TD Bank, N.A. For authenticity. If you're satisfied, tap the download or install button. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. Once installed, open the app by tapping on its icon. If you're a new user, select Sign Up to create an account. For existing users, select Login and enter your credentials. After logging in, navigate to the Card Services menu. Look for the option to freeze card or temporarily lock card. Tap on the option and confirm your choice. You'll receive a notification confirming that your card is frozen. Now your card is secure, and you can easily manage it through the app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.